When applying for a tourist visa, it's not enough to simply say you want to travel. Visa officers often want to see that your trip has been carefully planned, with clear travel dates, destinations, accommodations, and a return plan. A well-prepared travel itinerary letter helps demonstrate that your visit is genuine, organized, and temporary, which can strengthen your overall visa application. A travel itinerary letter is a formal document submitted with a visa application to explain your planned trip. It outlines where you intend to travel, when you will arrive and depart, the places you plan to visit, and confirms that you have arranged your travel responsibly. Today, we're going to break down a professional travel itinerary letter step by step so you understand exactly how to write one. Sender information. At the top of the letter, we have the applicant's full name, address, email address, and phone number. This section identifies the applicant and provides the visa office with accurate contact information should they need to request additional documents or clarification. Always double-check that your contact details are correct before submitting your application. Date. Next, we have the date, July 10, 2026. Including the date shows when the itinerary letter was prepared and becomes part of your official visa application records. Make sure the date is current and matches the timeline of your planned trip. Recipient information. Below the date, we have the recipient's information. In this example, the letter is addressed to the visa officer at the Consulate General of France. Addressing the correct embassy or consulate makes the document more professional and ensures that your application is directed to the appropriate authority. Subject line. Next comes the subject line. Subject: Travel itinerary for tourist visa application. The subject clearly explains the purpose of the letter. A concise subject line allows the visa officer to immediately understand what document they are reviewing. Salutation. Then we have the greeting. Dear Visa Officer, this is the standard and appropriate greeting when you do not know the name of the officer reviewing your application. It is formal, respectful, and widely accepted for visa correspondence. Introduction and purpose of travel. Now let's move into the first body paragraph. This paragraph immediately explains why the letter is being submitted and states the purpose of the trip. It also reassures the visa officer that the travel plans have been organized in advance. The paragraph says, I am writing to provide my proposed travel itinerary in support of my application for a tourist visa to France. The purpose of my trip is tourism and cultural exploration, and I have carefully planned my travel schedule to ensure an organized and enjoyable visit. This is a strong introduction because it clearly states the purpose of the letter while presenting the applicant as a responsible traveler. Arrival and Paris itinerary. Next comes the first part of the travel schedule. This section explains when the applicant will leave the United States, arrive in France, and what activities are planned during the stay in Paris. Including specific destinations helps demonstrate that the itinerary has been carefully planned. The paragraph reads, I intend to depart from Los Angeles, California, on August 15, 2026, and arrive in Paris, France, on August 16, 2026. During my stay in Paris, I plan to visit well-known attractions, including the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, Notre Dame Cathedral, and the Champs-Élysées. I also intend to explore local neighborhoods, experience French cuisine, and participate in guided city tours. Notice that the itinerary includes dates, locations, and activities without being unnecessarily detailed. This provides the visa officer with a clear overview of the planned visit. Additional travel plans. The next paragraph explains the rest of the trip. Rather than staying in only one city, the applicant outlines plans to travel to Lyon and Nice, along with the activities planned in each destination. The paragraph says, on August 21, 2026, I plan to travel by train to Lyon, where I will spend 3 days exploring the city's historic districts, museums, and renowned culinary scene. Afterward, I will continue my trip to Nice on August 24, 2026, where I plan to enjoy the Mediterranean coastline and visit nearby cultural landmarks. Including transportation plans and travel dates makes the itinerary more organized and easier for the visa officer to follow. Return travel. Now let's look at the return travel section. This paragraph clearly states when the applicant will leave France and return home. Showing a planned departure date is an important part of many tourist visa applications because it demonstrates the intention to leave before the authorized stay expires. The paragraph reads, "My return flight to the United States is scheduled for August 28, 2026, departing from Nice Côte d'Azur Airport and arriving in Los Angeles on the same day." A clear return plan helps strengthen the credibility of the application. Travel arrangements and visa compliance. Next comes the paragraph confirming the applicant's preparations. This section explains that accommodations, transportation, and finances have already been arranged. It also assures the visa officer that the applicant intends to comply with all visa conditions. The paragraph says, "Throughout my trip, I have arranged accommodations, transportation, and sufficient financial resources to cover all travel-related expenses. I am committed to complying with the conditions of my visa and will return to the United States before the expiration of my authorized stay." This paragraph is important because it demonstrates financial preparedness and a clear intention to follow immigration rules. Closing paragraph. Finally, we have the closing paragraph. This section thanks the visa officer for reviewing the itinerary and offers to provide additional supporting documents if necessary. The paragraph reads, "Thank you for considering my travel itinerary as part of my visa application. Should you require any additional information or supporting documentation, I would be pleased to provide it." Then the letter ends professionally with, "Sincerely, Sienna Brooks." A polite and professional closing leaves a positive final impression. Before we finish, here are a few important reminders. Your travel itinerary letter should always match the information provided in the rest of your visa application. Make sure your travel dates, flight reservations, hotel bookings, and planned destinations are consistent across all documents. Any conflicting information can create unnecessary questions during the visa review process. Also, keep your itinerary realistic and well organized. You don't need to list every hour of your vacation, but you should provide a logical travel schedule that includes your arrival, destinations, transportation between cities, and return flight. If possible, support your itinerary with documents such as flight reservations, hotel bookings, travel insurance, and proof of sufficient funds. A complete and consistent application gives the visa officer greater confidence in your travel plans. And that's how you write a professional travel itinerary letter, step by step. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more practical writing guides and sample documents. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.